What's going on, everybody? This is my WRX with the ABW rear body kit on it. Just doing a little walk around, showing you guys how it fits, how it looks on the car. So I've had a few different types of body kits on my cars in the past, and this one actually fit the best out of the box. I've had to do a lot of fabricating and body work to other ones that I've had just to get them to fit right and line up. But this one's definitely the best one that I've seen, especially for the price. I did order it from Europe, and surprisingly it didn't take too long. I think it took like a month. And it's actually held on by 3M tape because my car is wrapped. So you can't use the 3M adhesive, body panel adhesive, because it won't stick to wrap. But if you're molding it on your car, or you're going to put it on paint directly, then I'd go with the body panel adhesive. But since I use 3M tape, it kind of peeled up on this part right here. So I just put a self-tapping screw in there, and now it hugs the body line perfectly. And I put one on the back here as well. But here's a little glimpse of how it looks from the back. A look from the side. It's definitely my favorite body kit you can buy for the 0207 WRX. And then here's the piece you put on the gas cap. It actually fits really well as well. Let me pop open my gas tank and I can show you how it opens. So I just lift up a little bit and pull, and it clears just fine. Yeah, so I definitely recommend this kit over flares. I had flares in the past and I feel like it didn't really flow very well, but I love how on this it carries the middle door body line onto the panel. Here's a little look from the front. I think one of my other things that I liked about installing this kit was right here is how much there is of fiberglass on the backside. So from here down is all open for your tire to come up on and rest inside here, whereas some other brands of this WRC kit, the fiberglass comes all the way down on the backside and the bottom, so you can't have fitment like this on this kit from other brands. But with the ABW one, it's very nice, and you can see I just cut out a little bit there so that I can have my car air out onto the tire. And then here's how it is on the door. Lines up with the door very well. And then this is because I have the tape in here. Nothing rubs when you close the door, open the door. Overall, just a very, very well made kit. I'd say the best one of the WRC style you can buy.